I'm here in the Bridger Range, and what we're finding here is going to be similar to throughout our forecast area. We've got a little bit of new snow, a few inches, sitting on top of an ice crust here. It's supposed to snow tonight and even into tomorrow. The new snow bonding to this ice crust is our main concern. We're expecting to see loose snow avalanches, possibly some slab avalanches, especially if the wind blows tonight, occurring on this pretty sizable sun crust right here, old melt freeze crust. Looking forward in the week, as we start seeing sun and warm temperatures on Thursday and Friday, this ice crust is also going to stay a player as we start seeing wet avalanches occurring in the new snow on top of that layer. We'll expect to see some loose snow happening, as well as possibly some larger slabs.